If you're planning on renovating your home, here are a few tips to help you get the job done without breaking the bank. Let's start with the powder room. Although my shirt might match the wall color of this powder room, it's not in style anymore. To update this powder room, we're going to give it a fresh coat of paint, remove this old dated towel holder, and change out the mirror, and what a difference. Next, let's tackle the kitchen. While wood is definitely in style, these cabinets have kind of turned more of an orange color over the years. Replacing cabinets is ridiculously expensive. Giving them a fresh coat of paint is a much more budget-friendly option. And changing out the fixtures definitely modernizes this kitchen. Swapping out dated light fixtures and replacing them with options from online resources help make this space feel much more contemporary. Give a more modern vibe in your dining room. You can swap out the light fixture, paint the room all one neutral color, and definitely remove all of those dated curtains to let the light shine through. Your dining room instantly feels refreshed and inviting without breaking the bank. Over time, trim can become worn and battered. Painting your trim can give your room a fresh new feel. By removing the built-ins, we created a more modern and cohesive open space. These built-in cabinets in the office are absolutely stunning. Here we painted the walls Balboa Mist by Benjamin Moore, and now look at these gorgeous cabinets pop. After years of use, carpets can just become old, stained, and just plain worn out. New carpeting makes the home feel fresh and move-in ready. While columns are definitely in style, this faux paint is not so much in style. A simple coat of paint to match your trim fixes all your problems. These easy updates have given this home a fresh look, making it way more inviting. Whether you're planning to stay or thinking about selling, be sure to like and subscribe for more practical home improvement ideas.